Hey, what's up, guys? I just published my new book, Excavation and Septic Internet Marketing Profits. And for those who want to get a copy, I'm actually going to be giving away some free digital copies. All you need to do is on this page right here, go ahead and click the button, type in your name, your email, phone number if you want it, texted the link, otherwise you're good to go. And it's pretty solid. It's 192 pages. It goes over complete guide for 2023 of how to market your excavation, septic, demolition, and land clearing services, basic business fundamentals that will set your business up for success, how to market with your website, SEO, PPC, video marketing, social, and more. Plus, inside there's a ton of free marketing resources that agencies would never ever tell you about. So everything is included in this book, step by step. There's things in here that you can literally just start executing and putting to work for you within minutes. So I leave nothing out. Hopefully you find it helpful. And if you want a copy, just go to the page and put in your email and you'll get a copy. Okay? Take care.